Dave Knows How.
Hey guys, I wanted to tell you about an exciting new channel that's hadn't been long come on YouTube that I ran across, and the name of it is DIY My Way. And I've been watching this guy's channel, for I don't know, a couple weeks, I guess. And I've seen a few of my subscribers, guys that subscribe to my channel, have already discovered this channel. And I really think this is gonna be a great channel. I think it's gonna be very popular, and it's growing. It's in the beginning stages. And so I kind of just wanted to share it with you guys. I'm gonna put a link in the description below this video. You can go over there and check it out. At the end of this video, I'll put up a link so that you can click on it and subscribe to his channel. If you're new to my channel and like to subscribe, I appreciate it. One of the reasons why I'm making this little short video is I recently got a letter from YouTube in regards to a video that I did in the past year about paying it forward. And this came about when YouTube changed the monetization rules where you had to have 1,000 subscribers. And I was trying to help the channels that were already monetized but didn't quite have 1,000 subscribers to be able to get over that threshold so that they could continue to be monetized. And I called it paying it forward. And so anyway, I got a letter from YouTube last week, and they said they're gonna go through all my subscribers, and any subscribers that I have on my channel that I didn't get legitimately, they're gonna take off. They also said something about possibly shutting my channel down. Apparently the rules on YouTube is you can't do sub for sub, and that's what they consider that video that I did as being. The same thing as sub for sub, where I sub to your channel and you sub to my channel. For the tractor community, we're a small community, so we all share that interest, and so we, of course, want to subscribe to each other's channel. And I don't understand the thinking behind what YouTube is saying, and I don't want to jump the gun and jump to conclusions or anything, or start a whole bunch of drama or anything with YouTube, because I don't want to make them mad. I don't think they're gonna do anything to me, and I don't think they're gonna shut my channel down, but the letter was a little unnerving, that they was gonna go through, and kind of scrutinize my subscribers, and how I got them, and so anyway, I just thought I'd share that with you. There's nothing in the rules that says that I can't make a video and tell you about another channel that you may enjoy, though. And so that's what I'm doing here is I'm gonna make this video, let you know about a channel that I find interesting. It's tractor related, and it's, so far all the content that he's putting up is very nice quality, probably a lot better quality than what I do. And he's more consistent about putting up videos too, which is, you're not gonna get that here because I'm all over the place, I might go month, 2 months, or even longer, not put up any videos. But anyway, glad to take the opportunity to share that with you, and also wish you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Yep, that's right. We say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year on this channel. So, if you don't like it, too bad. That's just the way we roll around here. I want to thank everybody for the Christmas wishes. Got a couple Christmas cards from different people, and Vic, I got your Christmas card, and I just wanted to wish you personally a Merry Christmas to you and Joy. Thank you so much for the Christmas card. It meant so much to me, and I was just really excited when I seen it because, you know, I don't get a whole lot of Christmas cards, and I almost feel like a shut-in, but I get a couple, you know, so, and that was great to get. Houndsman One, Dawn over at Houndsman One, appreciate the Christmas wishes that you sent out to me, actually just this morning, and all that just means a lot to me, you know, and I really appreciate, you know, just so many people. I mean, so many. There's no way that I can, you know, mention them all, because I could sit here and name off so many different channels. And you know what? We're gonna do that in the future. Actually, we're gonna start doing some shout outs to different channels on this channel, because YouTube has pissed me off. So anyway, you know, they should have let a sleeping dog lie. That's what my daddy used to say. Let a sleeping dog lie. Now they done woke up the dog, and I'm mad. So I'll probably be doing some shout outs to some of the channels, and recommending some channels that I enjoy watching. And there's a lot of channels I enjoy watching. So stay tuned for that. Hope everybody's having a safe holiday. Stay warm, keep tractoring, and have fun. Y'all take care.
Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.